Hi everyone!
Welcome to Mona and Meesh. Today we're gonna do something a little different. My mom threw me a surprise graduation party yesterday and it was so amazing. I was super shocked. So we just wanted to share some pictures and some videos from the event. My wonderful aunt helped my mom to set up the event. I thought it all looked really lovely. And here we see some food catered from a delicious Persian restaurant in Orange County called Hatam. And here's just some more of the tables. This is a cake that my mom made. It looks so beautiful. I love it. Here are some of the treats that she made. Some samosas, some sfiha pizzas, some cake, pudding, tabbouleh, hummus, just so many goodies. Now here's the video of me coming in and being so surprised.
Here is many fruit tarts that they came out very yummy. And there is a sweet called burma and baklava. And this is, I cut some fruits and I put them in the cups. And this is the cake. The cake has a story, so we had to put it in the cup because it collapsed. And this is again the many fruit cups. And this is chocolate pudding, came yummy. And this is a fake cake that I made. So it was a dummy, and then I decorated with fondant and other decorations. This is safiha, Indian samosa, chutney, and this is tabbouleh. I cleaned 20 bunches of parsley for this tabbouleh, so it took a lot of work. This is hummus, and this is pickles, and this is sfiha, and this is spinach pies, and this is cheese pies, and what else? And this is just plain yogurt, and this is additional samosa with the cheese. And this is the cake that is collapsed, so I have to put it in the cup and really looked nice, but I had to go and buy a dummy to make to decorate the dummy fake cake, and which came gorgeous. And so Michelle graduated. She got a Master of Public Health, and we are very proud of her. And I hope soon I will publish videos with all these goodies that I made. I taped some of the recipes, not all. I got tired. And it was really hard to keep the surprise from Michelle, but she was really surprised. So I have to cook a little bit every day so she doesn't suspect anything. And we planned it safe for COVID, so everyone took a home test before they came. And I'm so thankful for Michelle's aunts who helped with the setup and cleaning. Bye.